Tea is a beloved beverage enjoyed by millions around the world. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene English countryside, tea brings people together. It's known for its soothing aroma and potential health benefits. Many find comfort in its warmth, and it has been a staple in various cultures for centuries. Green tea, for example, is full of antioxidants. These powerful compounds can help fight free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Black tea can boost your heart health. Studies have shown that regular consumption may improve cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular function. However, tea isn't always the best choice for everyone. Despite its many benefits, there are situations where it might do more harm than good. Some people should avoid it completely. For instance, those with certain medical conditions or sensitivities might find that tea exacerbates their symptoms. Certain health conditions and medications can interact negatively with tea. For example, the caffeine in tea can interfere with medications for heart conditions or anxiety. This article will explore who should avoid tea and why. We'll look at the specific compounds in tea that can cause issues and how they interact with the body. We'll delve into the science behind these interactions. Understanding the chemistry of tea can help us make better choices about when and how to consume it. It's essential to prioritize your health and make informed choices about your diet. Consulting with healthcare professionals can provide personalized advice tailored to your needs. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your well-being. Staying informed about the foods and beverages you consume can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Let's uncover the truth about tea and who should avoid it. By understanding the potential risks, we can enjoy tea responsibly and ensure it remains a positive part of our lives. Iron is crucial for our bodies. It helps carry oxygen throughout our system. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Tea contains compounds called tannins. Tannins interfere with iron absorption. This is especially true for non-heme iron, the type found in plant-based foods. If you have iron deficiency, limit your tea intake. It's best to drink tea between meals instead of during. This allows your body to absorb iron more efficiently. Remember, if you have concerns about iron deficiency, consult your doctor. They can advise you on the best course of action. Congratulations on your pregnancy. This is a special time to nourish yourself and your growing baby. However, you need to be cautious about certain foods and drinks. Tea contains caffeine, which can cross the placenta and affect your baby. High caffeine intake during pregnancy has been linked to risks like low birth weight. Limit your caffeine intake to 200 milligrams per day. That's about 1 to 2 cups of tea, depending on the type. Choose decaffeinated options when possible. Always consult your doctor for personalized advice. They can guide you on safe caffeine limits during pregnancy. Medications are vital for managing various health conditions. However, certain foods and drinks can interact with medications. Tea is no exception. Tea can interfere with the absorption of certain medications. This can make the medication less effective or even cause adverse effects. If you're taking medication, talk to your doctor or pharmacist about potential interactions with tea. They can provide guidance on safe consumption. It's crucial to follow medical advice and prioritize your health. Be informed about potential interactions to ensure the effectiveness of your medications. Section 5. Acid reflux and tea, a recipe for discomfort. Today we delve into the intricate relationship between tea consumption and acid reflux, a condition that affects millions worldwide. Acid reflux, or heartburn, is a common condition causing a burning sensation in the chest. This discomfort arises when stomach acid travels back up into the esophagus, leading to that familiar, unpleasant burning feeling. Certain foods and beverages can trigger or worsen acid reflux symptoms. Among these, tea is a surprising yet significant culprit. While tea is often celebrated for its health benefits, it can be problematic for those prone to acid reflux. Tea, especially black and peppermint tea, can relax the lower esophageal sphincter. This muscle acts as a gatekeeper, preventing stomach acid from entering the esophagus. When it relaxes too much, it allows acid to escape. This allows stomach acid to flow back up into the esophagus, causing heartburn. The esophagus, not designed to handle stomach acid, becomes irritated and inflamed, leading to discomfort. If you experience frequent acid reflux, limit or avoid tea consumption. It might be difficult to give up your favorite beverage, but the relief from heartburn can be worth it. Opt for herbal teas like ginger or chamomile, known for their soothing properties. These alternatives can provide comfort without triggering acid reflux, making them a safer choice for those affected. Remember, managing acid reflux often involves lifestyle modifications and dietary changes. Keeping a food diary can help identify triggers, and making small adjustments can lead to significant improvements. Consult your doctor for a personalized approach. They can provide tailored advice and treatment options to help manage your symptoms effectively. Your health and comfort are worth the effort. Section 6. Caffeine concerns, when tea can overwhelm. Caffeine is a stimulant found in tea, coffee and chocolate. It can provide a temporary energy boost. However, excessive caffeine intake can have adverse effects. Tea contains varying levels of caffeine. Black tea generally has more caffeine than green tea. Sensitivity to caffeine varies from person to person. Excessive caffeine intake can lead to anxiety, insomnia, headaches and digestive issues. If you experience these symptoms, reduce your tea consumption. Choose decaffeinated options or herbal teas. Listen to your body and moderate your caffeine intake for optimal well-being. Section 7. Other ingredients, other issues, tea's hidden components. Tea is a beloved beverage enjoyed by millions around the world, but what lies beneath its surface? Tea, in its purest form, can be beneficial. It is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body and can provide a soothing, calming effect. However, many commercially available teas contain added ingredients that may not be suitable for everyone. These additives can sometimes overshadow the natural benefits of tea. Some teas have added sugars, artificial sweeteners or flavors. These additions can make the tea taste better, but can also introduce unwanted calories and chemicals into your diet. These can contribute to health issues like weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and inflammation. For individuals managing diabetes or trying to maintain a healthy weight, these hidden components can be particularly problematic. Certain herbal teas may contain allergens like soy, which can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals, dairy or gluten. These allergens can cause discomfort and serious health issues for those with intolerances or allergies. Always check the ingredient list carefully, scrutinizing each component to ensure it aligns with your dietary needs and restrictions, especially if you have food allergies or sensitivities. Being vigilant about what you consume can help prevent adverse reactions and maintain your overall well-being. Choose teas with minimal or no added ingredients. Opting for simpler, more natural teas can help you avoid unnecessary additives and enjoy the true essence of tea. Opt for organic varieties whenever possible to reduce exposure to pesticides and herbicides. Organic teas are grown without synthetic chemicals, making them a healthier choice for both you and the environment. Section 8. Children and tea. A gentle approach. Children are especially vulnerable to the effects of caffeine and other compounds found in tea. It's best to limit or avoid giving tea to young children. Caffeine can interfere with sleep, mood, and behavior in children. It can also contribute to dehydration. Water and milk are much better choices for hydration. If you choose to give tea to children, opt for caffeine-free herbal teas. Offer them in moderation and ensure they drink plenty of water throughout the day. Always consult your pediatrician regarding appropriate beverage choices for your child's age and health status. Section 9. Moderation is key. Tea's balancing act. Like most things in life, moderation is key when it comes to tea consumption. Enjoying tea in moderation can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Be mindful of your tea intake and listen to your body. If you experience any adverse effects, reduce your consumption or choose alternative beverages. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Maintain a balanced diet and engage in regular physical activity for optimal health. Remember, knowledge and moderation are essential for enjoying the potential benefits of tea without experiencing its downsides. Section 10. Alternatives to tea, exploring other beverages. If you need to avoid tea for health reasons, don't worry. Plenty of delicious and healthy alternatives exist. Water should always be your primary source of hydration. It's essential for countless bodily functions. Herbal infusions are a great caffeine-free option. Try ginger for nausea, chamomile for relaxation, or peppermint for digestion. Fruit juices can provide vitamins and minerals. Choose 100% fruit juice without added sugars. Experiment with different beverages and find what you enjoy most. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and well-being.